I'm cooking a lobster. First time cooking on my channel, and this is my first time making a lobster, so I'm kind of excited. Well, I'm very excited, kind of nervous. I just want it to come out right because I'm fucking hungry. Like, I'm starving. So yeah, enough other rambling. Let's get into the cooking. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my seasonings. I'm gonna go in with some Tony's, some Old Bay, some salt, garlic powder, minced garlic, paprika, black pepper, and a lemon. And I'm gonna do, for all the seasonings, I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon. The minced garlic, this is gonna be a whole teaspoon. Okay, this is half a teaspoon, so let's get to it. It's in the butter as well, so get that much and just pop that in there. My lemon, and we're gonna squeeze all the juice in this bad boy. Actually looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see what the seasoning is looking like. Alright, so this is the seasoning, the sauce. They got the garlic in there, so yeah, it looks pretty good to put on the lobster now. Okay guys, I have to do this off camera because I couldn't hold my camera and season the lobster, but this is it. I put all that seasoning I mixed together on the lobster, but I'm gonna dab it. But yeah, this looks really, really, really. Welcome to my channel. We in Houston. And Lola.
Hey guys.
The two sisters. But yep, she does hair in Houston, y'all. So I'm gonna link all her information in the description box. She did Deja hair, so yeah, get into it, bitch. Get into it.
Ma'am. It feels real good outside, y'all.
So we're at the Lobster phone.
But it's not. It's like 70 degrees.
I've never been here before.
We ordered like the same drink. Look.
Cheers.
My lady.
This is what I got. It's got some little basic shit. I already took a bite of my food. Maya got a mac and cheese burger. Is that what it is?
My food ain't came yet.
Yeah. And Deja finna go on a date, so she didn't order nothing. So yeah, I still got a little bit of my drink left.
We had decided, me and Dave don't even smoke like that. I don't know if she smokes now, but remember we wasn't smoking, then we decided to hit that blunt. It was hot than a bitch in the club, girl. We left, didn't even know where we were. Remember that, Deja? That was fun, right? What? That little club we went to, what we doing? We went to that. Turn it up.
A smoothie. So I got me a smoothie. This is really good. Like it? Yes. I got the pink lychee. So this is good. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
That's his third personal, 17 foul. Back on 4-4 Golden City, Josh Giddey. Dallas ball, 14 seconds on the shot clock. You know what I'm going to say? Let's pick it right back up. Here we go. Time to put in the work. Let's